So I ran into that classic problem the other day. I downloaded this super specific piece of software I needed for a project, and nothing. It just wouldn't open. Turns out it was a Windows only application.
It's the ultimate frustration for a Mac user, isn't it? It just stops you dead in your tracks. So if you're watching this because you're searching for the Parallels Black Friday deal, or you're just looking for a way how to run Windows on Mac for less, then your search is officially over. The biggest sale of the year is live right now.
Exactly. Today, we're going to show you the absolute best way to solve that Windows only problem and how to do it for a massive discount.
For years, the solutions to this were just, well, clunky. You had Apple's Boot Camp, which meant you had to completely shut down your Mac and restart it just to open one single program. It completely breaks your focus.
It's a total workflow killer. The only other option was to go out and buy a whole separate Windows laptop, which is expensive, it's inefficient, and now you have two computers to lug around and keep updated. It's just a pain.
Thankfully, there's a much more elegant and powerful way to do it now, and that solution is Parallels Desktop. So for anyone who might be new to this, how exactly does Parallels let you run Windows on a Mac? Think of it like this. Parallels is an app that lets you install a full version of Windows inside that app on your Mac. It's something called a virtual machine, which is really just a fancy way of saying you have a complete Windows PC living on your Mac desktop. You can open it, use it, and close it just like you would with Safari or any other application.
Okay, that sounds really cool, but the real magic is in how seamlessly it all works together, right? Let's talk about the feature they call Coherence Mode, because that's the part that really blows people's minds.
Oh, Coherence Mode is the best. With one click, you can make the entire Windows desktop just disappear. And then your Windows programs, like Microsoft Excel or a specific game, whatever it is, they appear right in your Mac stock, right next to your other Mac apps. You can launch them and use them as if they were made for your Mac all along.
It's so smooth. And you might think that running a whole other operating system would slow your Mac down to a crawl, but that's not the case, is it?
Not at all. It's incredibly optimized for speed, especially on modern Macs. You barely even notice you're running two operating systems at once. And the integration is crazy. You can literally drag a file from your Mac desktop and drop it right into a Windows program. You can copy text in Windows and paste it directly into a Mac app. It just works.
So, who is this really perfect for then?
The list is huge, honestly. It's for students who need specific software for their classes. It's for developers and designers who need to test their work in a real Windows environment. It's for office workers who have that one critical piece of company software that's Windows only. And of course, it's for gamers who want to unlock the massive library of PC-only games without buying a whole new computer.
So, it's an essential tool for millions of Mac users. And right now, with this Parallels Black Friday sale, it is absolutely the best time to get it.
It is their biggest discount ever, and it's happening right now. From November 4th to November 30th, 2025, you can get up to 50% off Parallels Desktop.
Up to 50% off is a huge saving. How does that break down for the different versions?
For the Standard and Pro editions, which are perfect for home users and power users, you get that massive 50% discount. And for companies that need the Business Edition, they get a huge 35% discount.
So, to wrap this all up, if you're a Mac user who needs to run Windows apps, this is your chance. You get up to 50% off the best and easiest solution on the market. This is how to run Windows on Mac for less.
But you have to remember, this deal is only here for a limited time, and it all ends on November 30th. Now, you do need a special coupon code to get this discount, but we've made it super easy for you.
How so?
There's no need to write anything down or try to remember some complicated code. All you have to do is click the first link right in the video description below. Our special partner link will take you straight to the right page and make sure the best possible discount is ready for you. It's that simple.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If this video helped you solve that Windows on Mac problem, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next big deal.
Thanks again, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.